guys, we're here at the home office of Gwendolyn Gilley Construction in Coldwell Banker. It's starting to look good. We've been putting a little GGC touch, a little GGC flair to it. Got this Flemish glass commercial storefront. Stepping on in to the Carrera wall. We got Jamie and Shannon up in here. Now Jamie, are you in here next to Shannon trying to look like you're working as hard as she does?
Nobody works as hard.
I know, it's confusing me what you were doing.
Just trying to get in my jam.
So Shannon here is who you're gonna see when you walk in the front.
This is so embarrassing.
So tell us, Shannon, what do you love most about greeting people?
I love the public.
Okay. So she loves to publicly greet you. Doesn't really care much to do it here at the office. But whenever she's sitting behind marble that's this nice, it's hard to be humble for Shannon.
God bless America.
Got Diane and Karen Dorrell in there.
I hope you're not doing anything with this for real.
We're doing something with it for real, Shannon.
No.
This is the Coldwell Accounting Department. Well, neither do I. This is our kitchen. About every day around this time, I drop in here and refuel. A bang a day keeps the doctor away. So, and it's important to stay healthy in these times of COVID. So coming on back here to the GGC wing of the building, we have Rachel and Casey's out of here. Where's Casey at?
She's in New York, so she wanted to hide.
Okay, this is my wife. She just started working with us. Growing, and I figured she's been with me for this long, so she'll probably stay around.
I gotta ask, how have you put up with him all these years?
Alcohol. Alcohol, yes, who said that?
Alcohol.
I'm just kidding.
Okay, so I'm gonna have to take her to rehab, I guess. This is Casey. She just started working here. And what are you thinking, Casey?
It's a great environment.
You look excited.
I am.
A little off guard.
It is not monotonous by any means. So
Something
always
new.
Something going on.
All the time, and you're from Kinston.
Right.
So she's a bulldog.
Yeah.
Give us a growl, Casey.
No, sorry.
Okay, we'll get her next time. What do we got Gwen doing in here?
She's not back.
Gwen's not back. She's out there hustling, looing in the deals. So we hope she keeps doing that because she's good at it. And this is where the magic happens. So if you get ready to meet with us about a house, we'll bring you in here, pull up on our big screen, what's going on. We have everything you could need right here in one location, so we can design and build out your whole home right here in less than an hour. And if you're real picky, make it 2. But we can get all this done, one-stop shop. There's nothing else like it in the area. If you're looking for a stress-free process and you want a new house, those do go together, despite popular belief. You've just been talking to the wrong person. Go ahead and call us here at GGC.